So we are starting with the pre-scene material discussion. This pre-scene material on the first page only it's saying, can write in सीमा class slide if required. अच्छा ठीक है, ये भी अच्छा बोल रहे हो यार, यहीं लिख देते हैं. For WhatsApp message at 8792199615 8792199615 615 पदम. ओके, तो इन दैट केस क्या होएगा कि ये मैसेज यहां कर दो तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में आप ऐड हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, गुड. Since Stella is from outside India, I am writing +91. Okay, good. Now, so what I am saying that Seema Institute has written on the first page the pre-scene and the case study in general, while aiming to reflect real life, are set in a context where COVID-19 pandemic has not had an impact. Last year, तो they were saying that if you are giving exam, you need to write your answer assuming there is no COVID. Because they considered last year that COVID is a short-term phenomenon. And in that short period, if something happened, that cannot be incorporated in general. But from this year, they have changed slightly the stance. Remember, marks in the exam will be awarded for valid arguments that are relevant to the question asked. Answer that make relevant references to the pandemic or social distancing will of course be marked on their merits. In most cases, however, candidates may find it helpful to assume that there are no restrictions to the movement of people, goods or services in place. So they are saying that normally when you write the answers, assuming it's a normal business situation, no COVID, no pandemic, nothing, unless you find that in this situation, if you write COVID, it will have a better impact, proper, but don't go on writing entire pages, 20, 30 lines on COVID. That is not allowed. If your write-up involve a COVID write-up and it is relevant, required, you can. But normally, most of the times, you need to assume that normal business situation, no pandemic, nothing, exceptional situations are not to be recorded in writing your answers. Okay? So they are not saying that you can't cover COVID. If relevant, then you can cover. Because they are thinking that COVID is a never-ending process. It's like sardi, khasi, bukhar, cough and fever, like that. So for that reason, why not to consider it as a normal situation? Whatever. Now, in this material, they have covered introduction, the first page introduction in every pre-scene material for last 7 years it's seen. The video game industry, what are the video games, how the industry is growing, how the games are developed, what are the different consumers, market, this, that they have covered. Then developing video games, how the new games are developed. Then Pixelwitch, our company, when they formed, whether they are listed or not, how they are doing the business, what type of games they have developed. Then extract from the annual report, PL account, balance sheet, notes to accounts, then company's board of directors details, executive, non-executive, which we are currently doing in Monday, Wednesday class. I will be doing on Monday further relating to this. Then Pixelwitch principal risk, the major important risk for our company. Maybe those risks are relevant for other companies also in this industry, but for our company specifically. Share price history. How the share price of the company, that means the company is listed, and how the share price movement has happened in the last several years. Then extract from the competitor's financial statement. That is just like Pixelwitch. Maybe there is a competitor, maybe better than us, bigger than us or smaller than us. Their financial statement, PL balance sheet and all that, and some news stories. In the news stories, mainly they have generally that somebody in newspaper saying about game something, then somebody is replying to him. That type of thing they have covered. So you can say that by going through the material, a person, you, me or anybody, need to have a basic understanding that what is the video game industry is all about. And in this, the bit more detailed explanation given relating to Pixelwitch. Pixelwitch, for explaining in the class, I am saying P. P limited P. Pixelwitch is actual name, but we are saying in discussion in our class P limited P. If I will say before going into this, when I got this material 7-8 days back, then at that time I thought that let's do some research. लेकिन रिसर्च करने के पहले what is most important, मेरे को इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा क्या ज्ञान है, what is my own knowledge. If I will say that there is a game which I have played, and around 3-4 years back I was used to playing. There is like what I should say, Mowgli. Mowgli is running on trees. What is the name of the game? I forgot. Mowgli is running on the tree on mobile phone, and then he need to reach more and more destinations. And in the between, he will be collecting what I will say, honey and all that. Don't remember the name of the game, but I played that game. Mario. पता नहीं है Mario था क्या यार. Maybe some around 6 months, 1 year back, my son was playing a game. He is 8 years old, and he was playing a game which on iPad he was playing many times. उसके साथ मैंने भी खेला, अभी हो सकता है 2 महीना पहले भी खेला होएगा. That there are 2 players to be selected, and then one player is you can see need to hit the target, another player also need, or maybe I need to hit him and he need to hit me. So with this, then there is an arrow or some type of instrument is going in on him, and some type of instrument coming from his side to mine. So कौन किसको मार पा रहा है? In the video game on iPad we played. So you can see that these are some of the games I played. Then recently, for last I will say in this lockdown and all that, my son is playing a game on iPad which is, there is a genie and he is going to kill you. You need to go from this room, that room, this room, select something. आपको वो सब gather करना है, and you need to, you can say, save yourself from the genie. There is a Iceman. पता नहीं यार जो भी, because I am not very good in gaming, because मैंने बहुत कम गेम खेला है. Then you can see that there is an Iceman. That Iceman is actually throwing ice on you. You need to safeguard yourself from him. So अलग अलग, I mean to say that there is a game which government stopped. Yes, so government stopped in India. कौन सा गेम था वो? PUBG. My, I will say, Bhanja, my Bhanja used to play PUBG like whole day, whole night. मैं सेम ईयर मैंने गेम अभी थोड़ा सा देखना चालू किया जब मेरा सन, when he is playing games, तो मेरे को थोड़ा पता चला. Otherwise I have never played any game. Now the question is that it's good that to recollect some memories when we are studying a case study, तो थोड़ा तो कुछ ध्यान आना चाहिए ना. There are many who are addicted to games. I will say that even माने the game players are not only kids, not only teenagers. 40 years, 50 years, 60 years के लोग भी गेम बहुत अच्छा से खेलते हैं. I will say that this Dhoni game, cricket game, is what? Dream 11. Dream 11 cricket team. Have anybody played that Dream 11 cricket team game? You will select the team, your players who will play best man, bowler, all rounder, this, that. You will select one player. कितना सारा गेम होता है. और आप कोई भी YouTube कहीं भी चले जाइए, Dream 11 का ऑप्शन वहां आ जाता है. Advertisement and all that. I am not saying advertisement is good or bad. No. When you, if Preetham or anybody has not gone through with the video, in the video it is said that the gaming industry is a bigger industry than the music and entertainment industry. As compared to a movie industry, as compared to a music industry, gaming industry is far bigger. Even I didn't know when I see the videos because of research, then Microsoft is generating huge revenues through games only. Microsoft, we say that a software development company and all that. But they are generating huge amount of revenue through Microsoft. Yes, it's a, you can say, very big industry. Don't know, because whenever we are seeing any video or anything reading on YouTube or social media, who says that that is correct? That's, you can see that I have done the some videos and all that, then I have seen that it is a bigger industry. So they have started saying, yes, because in one of the videos, one Hindi person, I have given Hindi video also, he is to saying that the Sony is the first, and he is saying Microsoft is fourth. But he already said in the beginning only that maybe this information is not correct, because that is the information that he shared on the basis of his research. Whenever we get anything on social media or anywhere, whether that information is 100% correct, that is our personal judgment. We cannot accept anything on the face value. Whatever. Yeah, skepticism. Padam ne sahi bola. So, I mean to say that in the beginning, they started saying about the game industry, their revenue, employees, those who are engaged. Then in the second, you can say second part, they started saying what are the games which are available in the market, what are the new games the gaming companies are developing, and in developing the games, who are engaged, who are the persons who are engaged. Then they started saying about Pixelwitch, that we are a gaming company doing this, that and all that, and then financials, then their board structure, then their principal risk. Then they have started saying about competitor and some newspaper article. That is covered in the pre-scene. When we are reading the pre-scene, I am not reading one by one paragraph. I will be reading just important areas. The objective of our reading is management accountant. Not that you or me are going to develop any game. Maybe somebody in the class has a very good interest in gaming and he regularly plays games and all that. बहुत बढ़िया है, कोई बात नहीं है. But हम लोग का गेम बनाने का काम नहीं है. You need to think that we are working in this company. There are so many employees are there. Everybody has different responsibility, different departments. How can we take our company as a senior finance manager to the next level? How can we identify what are the problems which may arise in the company? How can we say that these are the opportunities where we need to exercise? Looking at the financials, how the funds should be raised, what should be the best option for the company? We are the finance manager. We are not the software or hardware programmer. Maybe suppose in one paragraph, you are not exactly understanding what they are saying, because I face this problem. कि मैं कभी read करता हूं, sometimes such a technical language they are saying, I am not understanding. And when I am doing Google search also, then also I am not getting 100% feeling that exactly what is the, मेरे को काम नहीं है उसका. Because I am not going to become software or gamer बनना नहीं है मेरे को, programmer नहीं है. My job is those who are programmer, they should work efficiently, they should be satisfied, need to evaluate their performance, set the target, and take my company to the next level. Help the board members in taking correct strategic decisions. That is my job. That is my responsibility. My job is not to become software or hardware programmer. मैंने तो ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा फीलिंग लाने के लिए बोला कि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस गेम के साथ क्या है. Similarly, you recollect your experience with the games. See some videos which I have shared, or maybe on your own 2-3 videos, not 20-30 videos. Make yourself slightly more equipped with the company कि भाई gaming industry में होता क्या है. In place of reading the stuff, only reading will not enough. Something you see and understand, then in that case reading will become much easier. So the first paragraph, they are saying that introduction, which is common in all the case studies in SEMA. Pixelwitch is a quoted company, sometime unquoted, that may be there, but it's a quoted company. Somebody will say that quoted है तो क्या हुआ? Yes. So quoted है तो क्या हुआ? Quoted means if I am quoted, like suppose Nirav was saying that a company is going for IPO. When you are quoted, when the company is quoted, there are advantages, there are disadvantages. If the funds are required further, the company can go in the market, can go for IPO. If those who have invested in the company, they can sell their shares, they can convert their paper into cash anytime. If the company is quoted, then there are regulatory requirements on the company relating to financial statement, securities guidelines, the stringent norms the company need to follow. So the credibility, the business and all that will be at next level. This is the advantage of a quoted company. What are the disadvantages? A quoted company to handle so many corporate issues, corporate governance guidelines, you say, extra expenditure, listing fee. Even in India, somebody is listed in a stock exchange, Reliance ITC, they need to pay every year listing fee. So you need to pay that listing fee. Maybe you are subject to takeover by others, because my company shares are there with me and my wife. How anybody will take our company? Nobody. But if a listed company shares are there in the public domain, anybody can take over the other company. There are rules, regulations in the world, in India and everywhere, anti-takeover guidelines. But फिर भी the chances are there. So there are advantages and disadvantages. Whether any question is going to come or not, I don't know. But whenever we are getting a word, do we have any financial implication of this? Any management accounting implication of this? That direction we need to read the pre-seen material. Not that it is a quoted company, ठीक है भाई, ठीक है नहीं है. आपको उससे related सोचना होगा. Creates and sells video games. Now, once we will go through with the entire material, the creates and sells video games is a very open-ended language. Suppose I will say, the videos which I have shared, Microsoft, Sony, or what somebody was saying, Nintendo, then ET, there are companies around 10, 12 companies at global level. This case study is prepared by taking the base of those 10, 12 companies only. These companies are selling video games. But for developing video games, there are so many things required. You can say that nowadays most of the things are saved in the cloud. So there is a cloud computing or clouding area where we need to save our things. Then there is hardware, software, maybe some console or something developed by somebody else which we are using in our video game. So our company is making console, or our company is buying the console from others and just developing the software of the video. What we are doing. Or I will say in other way around, that whether we are actually selling the video game to customers, that is, you can say like Sony or ET or Nintendo, anything, or it's like helping the video game company to in indirect way, in the software program, in designing, or maybe in, you can say, some equipment, something in that. What is VR? Creates and sells video games. The language says that we create video game and then we are selling. How the video game are sold, that is also there are different ways. So the area of the business is said, but while going through the pre-scene, you need to understand exactly what we are doing, why it is relevant, so that you can think about other areas which we are not doing, whether we should go into those areas, whether that will be strategically good for the company. Maybe horizontal expansion, maybe backward integration, forward integration, this, that. Obviously, question will be there in the exam. Not that what is forward integration, but if they are giving an example of takeover, merger, something, and you analyze that it is a forward or back, you will be able to write better answer. So for that reason, you can say I am engaged in training classes. But training classes provide करने के लिए तो कितनी सारी चीजें हैं. Software, IT, study material, question bank, then you can say so many things are there. तो अगर मैं अपना business expand करूं तो what I should be doing? Similarly, we are creating and selling video games, but the business is very big. What are the things which we are not doing, we can do, we should be doing? What are the challenges we are going to face? That is called strategic analysis. The question is not that you or me playing video game or not. That's not the thing. We need to be a business decision maker for the company. strategic decision maker. So your concept of study, your objective of study along those lines. What actually we are doing, what are the things which we are not doing, which others are doing for us, how can we do that on our own, whether we should be doing that or not, what expansion areas are there, that is called a strategic direction. Then, Pixelwitch generates the revenues streams from its games in several different ways. Any gaming company generating revenue from different ways, that they have written in detail that these are the options, we are also now in that they will be giving a question in exam that our major revenues from this area, which they have written under Pixelwell financial statement, they have written we are getting from there and all that. But then what are the other options? Why we are not exercising them? Whether it is not correct for us, whether it is different, you need to understand that na. What is strategic analysis? कि हम जो कर रहे हैं, what we can do further, what next, what is the options for growth, if we will be doing this, what are the risks involved, whether we should be doing this or not, for this from where the funds will be coming, what are the options for funding. यही तो सोचना है ना हमें. हम लोग को वीडियो गेम नहीं बनाना है. We are need to think along these lines. You are a senior manager in Pixelwitch financial company, senior finance manager. In ACCA exam, it may be senior finance manager, it may be finance director, it may be auditor, it may be this, that. But in CIMA, your job, you are in the company senior finance manager. You report directly to board and advise on special projects and strategic matters. Since you are at the senior level, your job is always to think long term. Any decision which you are suggesting or should be taken, which you are saying, you don't need to think only tomorrow. How it is going to affect the company for 4 or 5 years. How it is going to affect the company 360 degree. How it is going to affect the other department, other divisions. How it is going to affect in the market. You always need to be very open-ended thinking process. Because you are not a junior level or middle level manager. You are the senior finance manager. So your thinking process should always be strategic. Pixelwitch is based in Westland, a developed country that has an active and well-regulated stock exchange. It's Westland, Pixelwitch are all hypothetical names. There is no country called Westland. But in case study, they use hypothetical names so that nobody can challenge that you are writing wrong data and all that. So Pixelwitch is based in Westland, a developed country. Maybe US, maybe Japan, maybe a European country, I don't know why. That has an active and well-regulated stock exchange. The stock exchange regulatory requirements are very stringent. Westland currency is $, always on the name of the country, they say the currency name. Westland requires companies to prepare their financial statement in accordance with IFRS. Normally, at a strategic level, they don't ask questions on IFRS. Similarly, in CIMA case, ACCA case study, strategic business leader, they don't ask you questions on accounting treatment, non-current asset, this, that, and all that. But just that, because a strategic level person's not going into basic level things. So you can say that they are not asking in ACCA also, in CIMA also, the questions on IFRS, but always the companies which they give that the financial statements are prepared based on IFRS. If anything possible in exam, there is outside possibility. We will be definitely discussing along with the pre-seen material. By looking at the pre-seen material, if anything comes. So according to me, the important word is this. That quoted company means what? The important word is this also. That why this is important? Because of this, we will be able to analyze which business we can go in. Then, the important word is special projects and strategic matters. Means what? You need to be always a long-term thinker, not the short-term. And I will say that Westland, a developed country, well-regulated share market. Maybe if it is in US, then COSO they are following. Maybe. Sarbanes-Oxley Act or anything, I don't know. But just that well-regulated share market is there. Okay. Now, it is saying, giving you a graph, which is, you can say that in the videos, it is said that it is an industry in 2019, $130 million. ये 130 या टच कर चुका है, 140 करीब। लेकिन अभी तो 2021 आ गया है, तो तब तक आते आते 180 हो गया है। एंड 2012 टू 2021, 1 ईयर, 2 ईयर, 3 ईयर, 4 ईयर, 5 ईयर, 6 ईयर, 7 ईयर, 8 ईयर, 9 ईयर, 9 ईयर में द revenue of this industry from 60 million to 180 million. So compound annual growth rate, I have calculated the compound annual growth rate in the industry, not for any particular company, in the industry. I have done 10, but I should be doing 9. How much it will come? Can anybody solve this? Because I have done slightly wrong. 9. Anybody, if using in exam calculator not required, don't worry, but at least calculate here that 60 million sales in 2012, it becomes 180 billion in 2021. So what is the compounded annual growth rate of the sales demand or sales revenue in the industry? Coming around 12-13%. How much, Padam or Visal? Anybody? Or anybody else? %13. Why this is important? You understand that as per BCG matrix, it's a high growth industry. As per BCG matrix, it's a high growth industry. The growth is greater than 10%. And I don't know about Pixelwell whether they are the leader or not, because that is not written in the pre-scene. But if we are the leader, then our market share is greater than 1. Then we are in the star category. But if we are not the leader, somebody else is the leader, then in that case we are not a star, we are question mark or something. I am just saying, just that it is very important that this is a very growing industry. The growth in the industry is very good. So those who are there in the industry, they need to be always on their toes. How they can do something better than others, new game, this, that, so that they will be able to perform better than others. They are saying that 2,500 companies. In this, they are not including 2,500 companies, does not include many companies that support the creation and soul of video games through the manufacture and sale of hardware and provision of operating system. That means those who are supplying hardware, software to the gaming company, they are not included in 2,500 companies. And 70,000 people are working in the industry, in the video game development. And you can say that the sale is around 13% annual growth in last 9 to 10 years. They are saying that 2.7 billion video gamers worldwide. Video gamers means what? Those who are developing video game or those who are playing video games? What do you think? Because here they have said that 70,000 people in the development of video games, playing games. But then they are saying of whom 55% is male. According to me, those who are developing games, they are not the person who are playing games, they are the person who are developing games. मेरे को भी पहले कंफ्यूजन हुआ था, लेकिन मैं इंटरप्रिटेशन तो यही किया हूं भाई. It is estimated that there are 2.7 billion video gamers worldwide, of which 55% are male. The average age of 34 years with a wide dispersion of player ages around that age. With this graph also we will not be able to understand that whether they are saying that video game developer or they are talking about video game players, those who are playing. Confusion है यहां पर, because 2.7 billion after further reading also you will not understand. We will read. I have interpreted this as a video game developer. जो वीडियो गेम बनाते हैं, I have interpreted with that. And 34 years is the average age, those who are making the video games. But let's see further, no problem. Video gamers by age, 18 to 35 maximum, less than 18, then 36 to 49, then greater than 50. You can say that maximum persons are within the age of 18 to 35. Let's see, no problem. Maybe with other explanation. लेकिन उसके बाद वो लोग आगे बढ़ गए. They are not saying anything. Video gaming has existed in one form or another for decades. But the industry had changed constantly in response to development in the hardware used to run gaming software. अच्छा, एक second. If we do Google search, video gamers. I have not done that. Let's do this. Video gamers means a gamer is a person who plays interesting games, especially video games, tabletop role-playing games, and skill-based card games, and who plays for usually long period of time. Some gamers are competitive, meaning that they compete in some games for money. Yes. So they are saying that it is now the confusion gone. The 2.7 billion each players, those who are playing the games. And male persons are more. 45% female are playing, but 55% male are playing. Okay, ठीक है सर, चलेगा. Then they are saying that the video games, I will say that nowadays it is mainly smartphone, PC based, tablet, smart TV, and virtual reality, artificial intelligence, that type of. But household console, game console is still there. Not zero, but maximum gains are like this category. The global video game revenues by type of devices. So smartphone, PC, tablet, smart TV, and VR and AR. If you consider all these, they are around 75% of the total revenue. From household console and game console, it is only around 25%. A pie chart is given sharing the revenue based on the different gaming style. अब नॉर्मली आप सोचो कि इफ यू हैव प्लेड एनी टाइम एनी गेम, आप जनरली फोन में खेलते हो, सो फोन इज मैक्सिमम शेयर. देन पीसी लैपटॉप में भी यूज टू प्ले गेम, आईपैड एंड ऑल दैट, टैबलेट, आईपैड. देन यू कैन से स्मार्ट टीवी, टीवी में भी आजकल यू कैन से नेटफ्लिक्स, ये सब जो आता है वहां पर भी गेम्स वगैरह रहता है, अमेजन का भी गेम्स है. एंड देन वर्चुअल रियलिटी एंड एआर, उसके अंदर भी गेम्स. दैट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली स्मार्ट टीवी एंड ऑल दैट, बट वो कनेक्ट किया जाता है उससे. Actually, they have written that separately, but they have written that maybe these two are combined together. The virtual reality you are going into along with the smartphone, or the virtual reality you are using along with the PC, or virtual reality you are using along with the, you can say, smart TV or tablet. So it's not that it is separate, it is combined also. But all in all the gaming companies are generating revenue from these types of video game. Phone based are maximum, but the PC based, laptop based, tablet based, smart TV and VR AR are many, and household console, game console are still there exist. It's good thing that when they have shown the, I mean to say, because virtual reality क्या है? ये virtual reality है. ये देखिए. So virtual reality means what? On your eyes, you will wear something. This I seen the game. One day in the night, there was a program going on in which Shah Rukh Khan, I am talking about 11:30 p.m., around 1 year back, during lockdown only. Yes. So it was showing that कि आप इसको पहनेंगे. So maybe a dinosaur, or maybe you can say any animal, you will think that it is in front of you. And you will be able to hear sound that it is coming from another place to your place. It will be taking you to in a jungle, and there you will be able to imagine. Virtual. For that reason, the word is virtual reality. वी डोंट हैव टू विजिट एनीवेयर विशाल, घर पे आप ये ले आइए, इससे हो जाता है। इसके अंदर कैमरा भी है, इसके अंदर साउंड रिकॉर्डर भी है। सो यू कैन सी दैट दिस पर्सन अलोंग विद द साइट माने आई साइट, उसके साथ ये कुछ गैजेट भी यूज कर रहा है, कंसोल, एंड द कंसोल इज एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग हिम टू कंट्रोल हिज इमेजेस इन माइंड। आर यू गेटिंग? Or maybe he can connect these two things with another machine. Maybe you can say laptop, computer, TV or anything. वो भी चल सकता है. So it's not that virtual reality is a separate totally thing. It can be combined together because yes, because यहाँ उन्होंने लिखा है development in the video game industry has been driven largely by improvement in the hardware devices that are applicable. For example, improvement in graphic processor. With graphics, I just understand this thing. Suppose I have one staff, Madhu. He is a graphic designer. तो उनको जो कंप्यूटर हमने दिया है, वो कंप्यूटर दूसरे कंप्यूटर के कंपैरिजन में बहुत हाई कैपेसिटी है. What I should say 4 core, 5 core, 6 core क्या होता है मेरे को नहीं मालूम है. But in that computer, the high memory card, high chip, high processor and all that is installed. Similarly, the computer which I am using for the classes, this computer I purchased around 2.5 years back for 1,40,000. इसके अंदर भी सारे graphics card वगैरह next level है. Why? So that when the recording of the class is done, it is of the highest quality. And the software which I have installed in this, that will not be running unless and until that minimum graphics and all that I am using. Similarly, in the game, the processor, the graphics and the hardware software which is required are go on increasing continuously so that it will be giving that effect. This is my way of understanding. अब इसके अंदर ग्राफिक प्रोसेसर का मैं रिसर्च नहीं करने जा रहा हूं. आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड बिकॉज मेरे को कोई सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामर या गेमर डेवलपर नहीं बनना है, नेवर इन लाइफ. तो इसलिए आई एम अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन माई ओन वे. आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू को रिलेट विथ प्रैक्टिकल थिंग कि भाई हम इसको कहीं सुने हैं, वेदर आई हैव सीन एनीवेयर, so that when I will be writing my answer, I can write in my own language. नहीं तो मैं कुछ लिख नहीं पाऊंगा. For that reason, many games offer players the opportunity to engage with a virtual world that comes close to being photographic in terms of image quality. Many video games require players to have access to a website through which the players can access these accounts and on which they can play games. Those websites are generally cloud-based. The introduction of cloud-based gaming is relatively recent development, I can say last 3 to 4 years, and this is expected to be a huge growth. Abhi cloud based selling, they have written here, cloud based selling is very less. They have mentioned somewhere, I will be showing you, they have said cloud based is less, but going forward the future is cloud based only. Website can be provided by hardware manufacturer, particular those who make consoles, by companies who create and sell, and standalone companies who provide this facility. So these are not included in the gaming companies. They are providing cloud services, they are providing websites, they are providing this, that, but they are not included in the gaming company. I can say they are saying that a console is what? Game console is a device with which you can say play games in home. They are usually connected to television or screen. Games are loaded in DVD-ROM. Console manufacturer often design their machine so that they connect directly to the manufacturer's website. And we are the manufacturer website Pixelwitch. Pixelwitch is manufacturer of websites. Maybe we are developing console also. But somebody is developing console, but the game is actually developed by us and that is running on that console. So console ko TV se connect kar diye and then the game. You must have seen so many ads, the celebrities and all that are playing together games on a screen and they fight. Anybody has played this type of game? Those who played, they can understand. Those who have not played, you need to do imagination. और या फिर आप Google search करिए further. Maybe whatever. But normally लोग खेलते हैं यार. आजकल इतना costly नहीं है. I will say that on my son's birthday, the 8th birthday, 14th April, his birthday, one of my relative gave that game console. उसको वो दिया था साथ में. एक साथ में DVD pen drive was there. गेम को अपलोड किए. He said that the cost was 4,500. Okay, the cost was 4,500. The game is uploaded, but मेरे को तो बहुत फालतू लगा. He was dancing on that day. After 2 days, he has never played that on the screen. Actually, it is very old version. So that old version is not that lucrative on the screen. अगर नया वर्जन का लेने जाएंगे तो the cost is 25-30,000. So that I have not purchased for him and nobody has given him. So okay. So I mean to say that ki related and supportive industry, you want to say that ki this console development and all that. I will say that backward integration. We can go for console development and all that, but the world is moving forward here. I will not advise this generally because the consoles are getting changed into this type of thing, or maybe they are changed with the mobile phone, tablet, PC, computer and TV. Console are losing their importance as per my understanding. Yes, it's a technology which is day by day getting obsolete, but still they have good market. If you see the video which I have given you, in one of the video it is saying that it has a good market. So it's not that it has lost its significance, but going into this area, if we are not there, will be a backward integration, and going forward is a challenging thing. These are easy. I will say that this to need to be this console game. This game console need to be attached with some of the screen. But this handhold console does not require any attachment. Handhold console तो और भी कम हो गया है. वैसे it is very handy. You are going somewhere, you can take it like a mobile phone and then you can play everything. No attachment required. Like an iPad. तो iPad तो उसका काम कर रहा है. अब गेम कंसोल कोई लेता नहीं आजकल. As per my understanding, this already obsolete. Maybe a good game console where you are enjoying, that is other thing. But आजकल मैं गेम कंसोल देखता नहीं हूं. You bought one for your wife. Okay. That is this handhold game console, or it's a no, the game which you have bought, it is a handhold console or it is connected with TV or something. Console game. Vishal is saying, smart way to buy peace. Wow. PSP I have also heard. That is. You understand, she stopped using. Actually, whenever you purchase any new thing, what happens? Suppose new mobile phone, you are keeping it like this. After 10 days, 15 days like this. This is the human habits. So no problem. So handhold console does not require any attachment. It can be played. Okay. Handhold console is, we can say that used specifically in that way. It is handy to take over somewhere. But normally iPad and mobile phone is replacing them. So they are not, I think, future going forward. Because mobile phone पे game अच्छा से खेला जा सकता है. Now, virtual reality and AR, they are developing. Still huge development is required in this industry. That in place of going somewhere in a jungle or this place or that place, you will be able to create a virtual reality. You are driving a plane, you are driving a big car, something like that. The imagination is not, they have written. वर्चुअल तो हो गया कि आपके सामने ऐसा सिचुएशन क्रिएट किया जा रहा है which is actually not there. It does not exist, but virtually. And augmented reality takes into from cameras incorporated into the handset and combines that with virtual images so that players see both. ये जो हाथ में इनको अलग से दिया गया है, this is augmented reality. By using this, you can change your virtual reality, sound, this, that, with this one. Speed and everything that you can change. So VR, AR takes input from cameras, incorporated into the handset and combines with virtual images so that players see both simultaneously. That could, for example, create the impression that there is exotic bird hovering around you, कि आपके लिविंग रूम में एक बर्ड उड़ रहा है. सो इन दोनों को मिक्स करके इट क्रिएट्स 100% एक्चुअल सिनेरियो, एंड विद दैट यू एंजॉय. बट आई थिंक दीज गेम्स आर वेरी कॉस्टली. पर्सनली आई एम सेइंग, आई हैव नॉट डन रिसर्च. ये वर्चुअल रियलिटी, AR एंड ऑल दैट इज वेरी कॉस्टली. You played once. अच्छा, कहां से? गुड, ठीक है, नो इश्यू. फ्री गाई, ओके, दैट इज रिलेटिंग टू वर्चुअल रियलिटी. ओके ओके, स्पॉन्सर्ड फ्रॉम ऑफिस, तब तो ठीक है, चलेगा यार. You were saying free games. विशाल, you were saying virtual reality games as free games. Free games तो आप कंप्यूटर पे देख पाओगे ना, लेकिन this is, you can see that with the help of a gadget. The reality will be created with the help of a gadget. ठीक है. PC laptop games are very famous. They are in, and for running the games which are of high quality, the PC quality should be good. Because if the processor and all that is not high, then it will not be running on every computer and all that. So there is a constraint here that PC and laptop based games, the high processing power of the PC or computer is required for development also, for running the game also. Otherwise the features you will not be able to use. The tablet, smartphone, smart TV, because on a smart TV, smart tablet, telephone, what happens that those features, the high processor and all that are already there. Sufficient processing power to offer the players to play the games. Players can download game into their phones, tablet and smart television. Those will not offer the same processing power as console or PC. On a PC, the way we are changing this slide, this, that much speed you will not be getting on TV. Unless and until your TV is like PC. Because nowadays the TV has, the quality of the TV has changed. Consumer goods quality has changed. Because they are incorporating a TV is not only a TV. It is a computer come TV. So in that case, it will be enough, but then that is very costly. So you can see that in these areas, maybe selling TV, selling a smart TV, television, or iPad, or these things we can go. Because what Microsoft is doing, along with this, they are saying what Sony is doing. Sony is selling TV also. Sony is selling games also. So you can say that maybe a chance of development in the company going into a different business, unless and until we found that there is no growth opportunities in our existing business. The development in the video game, this I read. Now they are saying that the revenue all over the world, the companies are generating global revenue from PC-based games, global revenue from console-based games. I think this would have given some extra information that breakup of revenue from console-based and PC-based that they have not given in the pre-scene. In laptop shops, there is a special place for gaming equipments. Laptop shops, I will say that wo to mil jayega. That's not a problem. The question is that what I am saying here, कि इन दोनों का ब्रेकअप क्या है रेवेन्यू में, दैट वी शुड बी नोइंग दैट हाउ मच कंसोल गेम आर स्टिल इन एग्जिस्टेंस, कितना उनका इंपॉर्टेंस है. बट कंसोल गेम्स रेवेन्यू इज ओनली फ्रॉम डाउनलोड एंड बॉक्स्ड गेम्स. फ्री टू प्ले आर वेरी लेस. व्हाट इज फ्री टू प्ले? आई एम कमिंग. In case of PC based, it is free to play, social, download, play, pay to play. So in case of console based game, down to download and box games are giving maximum revenue. But in case of PC based game, download and box games are very less. Free to play are maximum. Social, pay to play and cloud gaming are, this cloud gaming is going to increase continuously. Because everything is now on cloud. Whether you say my classes, everything. Because that is cheaper, that is easy to maintain and all that. Some security issues are there that can be managed. But presently they are saying that still cloud gaming revenues are not so much. कि गेम को हमने क्लाउड में डाल दिया, players and all that, their data are in the cloud and they are buying from there, they are playing from there. Now, they are explaining about each category. Download and box games that either you will download from somewhere in your console, or maybe with the console you will be getting a DVD or pen drive and you will be running on that. The payment entitles the player to run the game and may also grant access to online forums for play against other human competitors. Relating to this, Sandil can say us because he purchased this game some days back and now his wife is not playing. So this console game will one time payment you will be making and you will be using on the console, maybe it's a remote console or handheld console or connected through a TV or something, and then you can play the games on that, which you can connect with the competitors also through those console. These console games are mainly like this only. Even the PC based games are download games also. On the PC you will be playing after downloading there from some website or something. Like Sunil is saying that on the laptop there is a video shop game you can download. Normally हम लोग आजकल iPad, laptop ये सब जब खरीदते हैं, when we buy, then normally we say to the seller, if you know the seller, that there are some free games, can you upload here? Can you put in the desktop so that we can play or my son can play and all that? ऐसा होता है. These which are free. Consoles are restricted to a specific company games only. Obviously, why they will allow others? Because otherwise how the people will purchase the consoles? So for that reason, but the console games are mainly this category only. What is free to play? Free to play game can be downloaded or run directly from a website. The player must register and is given the opportunity to make in-game purchases. For example, some online games require player to create characters who must develop skills and gather objects through play that will be of use to them in their virtual environment. What I mean to say that somebody will think that free to play, how it will be giving benefit. Like suppose I will say that if I will upload my classes freely on the YouTube, what is the benefit? There are two types of benefit. One is those who are thinking of joining the classes when they will see, then in that case they will be feeling comfortable of joining the classes. So free revenue will be converted into actual revenue. The second is that if the videos are seen by so many persons on the YouTube and it is increasing the viewership, then the YouTube will be, you can say, running through the videos ads. They will be collecting money through the ad and they will be passing on that ad portion to me. So you can understand that agar free hai to free kuch nahi hota hai. There is nothing free in the world. For the gamer, maybe he is getting free, but then the company is earning through the free, through advertisement, through other things they are earning. The earning medium is free to play games, means to the players, to the gamer, it is downloaded. But then at the same time, the company is able to earn through advertisement and everything. And in many free games, the features in a free game is less. If you want to increase the features and all that, you need to slightly pay. Very minimal amount. But if you don't pay, then in that case, they will not allow you to use the advanced features. Since the price is very less, for that reason, people are ready to pay. In cents they charge, not dollar. 1 cent, 2 cents, 1 paisa, 2 paisa, like that. So for that reason, the people are ready to pay. First of all, you can say making addicted. Is this ethical? That first of all, we are selling the games and then addicted and then we are charging money. Is this ethical? When Joyjit is saying this, yes. There are two views. There is no yes or no relating to this. The question is coming that everybody is doing the same strategy, if we will say like that. Not only gamers. If something which is given, offered as free and which is not harmful for anybody, then in that case there is no unethical in that. But if it is harmful for other person, then in that case it is ethically not correct. So free gaming, if you are offering free games through website or something, somebody can download, can play, I can say that you will be helping somebody to enjoy in life. You can help somebody to remove the loneliness. You will be able, because in the whole world, the people are suiciding and all that. बिकॉज ऑफ वन रीजन, लोनलीनेस. बिकॉज पहले जैसे तो है नहीं कि देयर आर 10-12 ब्रदर सिस्टर्स आर देयर, एक बच्चा है, एक ये, द फैमिली इज रिड्यूसिंग. सो द लोनलीनेस एंड ऑल दैट. So I mean to say that that's one way to think around. Going into customer later. The other way is that you can say addicted. If you are selling free milk, if you are not selling, I will say offering anything free, then to ultimately we say that you are making them addicted. And when you are making them addicted, then actually the problem is arising that the other person will be I will not say wasting their money. Later on, if you charge money, you can charge money from them because they are habituated, they have to play for that. And at the same time, so much presence in front of a screen and all that, affecting our eyes, body and spirit, that answer kuch sahi galat kuch nahi hai. If you are thinking that it is unethical, ethical, there is no fixed answer for that. What conclusion you will be drawing later, that's secondary. But give a perspective to the examiner that whether it is ethical or not. Where they are paying upfront amount on paying my bills, but at the same time they are having access to all my personal data on mobile. आप कोई भी ऐप डाउनलोड करोगे तो ऐप का पहला कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज व्हाट, दैट इट विल बी हैविंग द, यू कैन से, राइट ऑफ ऑल योर डेटा इन द मोबाइल फोन. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है होल वर्ल्ड. What we should do? The question is that if your conclusion is that it is unethical, still you have said different perspective. If your answer is that it is ethical, still you have said many perspective. The examiner is concerned with a different perspective. The examiner is not concerned with your final answer because final answer is good or bad, nobody can say. कैसे बोले? According to me, if you ask me personally, ये मेरी वाइफ के साथ मेरा झगड़ा डेली होता है, regularly. I say that if somebody will say that I cannot sit in front of the computer, laptop, this, that. So I'm saying that why we should stop using mobile phone also, because that is also a screen. Then do everything on a copy pen only and forget about phone, mobile, social media and everything. The social, everything has a bad effect. Everything has the good effect. If you think about good things, you will be thinking positive. If you think about bad things, you will be thinking about negatives. But uska koi solution nahi hai na. If suppose I will say Sadhguru and all that, saying that you enjoy with your environment and all that, we understand. But how we will survive without connecting? Not because of classes. Forget about my classes. But kya aap is current world mein, without mobile phone, without computer, without laptop, can you survive? There is no answer for this. So I am saying that it's a question which cannot be answered in yes or no. Social media, IT and all that, uska advantage hai to disadvantage hai. But then you need to compare advantage and disadvantage. People are, Sadhguru is saying that people are becoming bad because they are getting all the information freely. More information is bad. Why you are searching for so much information? अरे भाई एग्जाम देना है तो भी तो इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए. We need to do research and all that. I am not criticizing Sadhguru or anybody. I am just saying that different perspective are there. Right wrong कुछ नहीं होता ये सब जगह. So for that reason, in exam, if you are getting a question for which there is no right or wrong answer, how can you write the answer that it is right or it is wrong? आपको पता ही नहीं है ना, आप कैसे लिखोगे आंसर? So these are debatable thing. That free gaming is ethical or unethical is a debatable point. The debate can be running for hours and hours, but it will not finish. So it's a question mark that what you write, it depends. Yes, two sides of the coin. The coin is coin only. It will be giving head or tail. Yeah. So they are saying that in a free-to-play game, many of these games restricted gamers' ability to play effectively. खेलने नहीं देते हैं. बहुत सारा features are not there. They purchase tokens, then can be extended online, and maps or magical powers. The monetary cost of these purchases is generally only a few cents per item, but purchasing opportunities are frequently continuing. तो पहले फ्री में दिया, बाद में पैसे चार्ज कर रहे हैं. अब you can see that suppose you are joining for a particular class. Suppose you will go on Kaplan website. It will be telling that for 5 days the software features are free. सभी जगह है यार कि 5 दिन के लिए आपको सॉफ्टवेयर का फीचर्स फ्री में है. आप एक बार लीजिए तो many of the features will not be running in the free system. Only some of the features will be running. When you will pay, then only you will be getting other features. They will be saying that in free features this is only available. Other things cannot be available. So they are saying that it is 5 days free subscription. But उसमें मिलता कहाँ है यार? So you can say that they are attracting, and then later on you will pay the full money so that you will join. Everywhere this is there. There is no, not only Astranti, everywhere. सबका यही है यार. I am not criticizing them, but I am just saying them कि आप अगर कोई भी चीज फ्री में लेंगे, फ्री में कुछ नहीं मिलता है. How anybody will offer you something free? There is a cost involved in developing that thing. उसको या तो आपसे रेवेन्यू मिलेगा या इनडायरेक्टली कहीं और से. फ्री में दुनिया में कुछ नहीं है. ओके? एयर भी फ्री नहीं है यार, वो भी गवर्नमेंट को टैक्सेस देना पड़ रहा है. फॉर एयर, वाटर एंड एवरीथिंग वी आर पेइंग टैक्सेस, म्युनिसिपल टैक्सेस एंड ऑल दैट. अब घर पे रह रहे हैं तो उसका म्युनिसिपल टैक्स है, जगह का टैक्स है, रोड टैक्स है. वे आर फ्री. फ्री कुछ नहीं है. एक्चुअली मैं एक बात बोल रहा हूं. यू थिंक एवरीबडी, इफ somebody will tell you you do a job somewhere free or you advise somebody free, क्या आप करोगे? Then how can you expect that somebody else will offer you free? Why? How can we say this? That means we are non-professional. If we are thinking free means our professionalism has not developed. दुनिया में कोई भी चीज फ्री नहीं है. Professionalism, first sentence. Okay? What you will do for free? Teaching. Okay? Do. Start. After SCS you start. What do you think? What is a motivation for a person? Only money, the tuition fees, or other than tuition fees also? Money is one of the factor. But do you think money is the only factor for motivation? I am giving you an example. Suppose you are teaching free classes, but the students, those who are joining in the class, since it is free, they are very non-serious. They are not taking importance of the classes, they are not studying properly, and then in that case, whether you will be motivated? Yes, that's the other thing. एक बार उसको भूल जाते हैं यार, नॉलेज है. बट जब पैसे लगते हैं ना, तो इन दैट केस वी आर मोर एनर्जेटिक, वी आर मोर मोटिवेटेड, डिवोटेड. बट अगर पैसा नहीं, मान लो आई विल से दैट आई एम ऑफरिंग SCS क्लास फ्री, तो कोई क्लास नहीं ज्वाइन करेगा यार. नहीं करना है. The motivation does not comes. So in case of free, what will happen that the crowd who is attending the lecture or all that, they will be very bad. और वो बैड होने से क्या होगा? आपका पढ़ाने का लय खत्म हो जाएगा. फिनिश. Even though you are knowledgeable, but you will not be able to give your 100%. Why I am saying this? Suppose, Sandelia, you said that, sir, I want to teach. Initially, I want to teach for free. When the student will satisfy, I will be teaching money for a consideration. I said that in our team, we have appointed Sandelia, and he is our student, and he cleared SEMA strategic case study. In first attempt, he is giving a free class, everybody can join. 90% will not join, will be thinking क्या free में क्या देगा नहीं देगा, और जो ज्वाइन करेंगे वो भी 10 मिनट बाद भाग जाएंगे. Why यार? Why this is the, you can say, understanding in the market. ए भाई, समाज सेवा कोई करता है. If somebody is doing समाज सेवा, suppose somebody is a charitable organization trust, उसके पास पैसा कहां से आ रहा है? मे बी गवर्नमेंट, मे बी पर्सन्स. वो कमाया हुआ पैसा आ रहा है. इट्स अर्नड मनी. इट्स नॉट somebody is throwing from outside कि from the sky it is coming. वो पैसा कमाया हुआ है. तो आपको चैरिटी को इस तरह से रन करना है दैट द चैरिटी शुड बी एबल टू रन प्रॉपरली. चैरिटी को भी तो चलाना होगा, फ्री कुछ नहीं होता है, बिलीव करो यार. प्रोफेशनलिज्म फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल, नथिंग इज फ्री. नथिंग शुड बी ऑफर्ड फ्री, नथिंग शुड बी आस्क्ड फ्री. ओके, हम लोग इसके बारे में और आगे नहीं बात करेंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग, because whenever we attend, you can see, suppose ACCA webinar, SEMA webinar, so many teachers are there, faculties are there, ACCA head is there, SEMA head is, so many persons are there. Meeting में एक ही बात होता है कि when the learning partners, tutors and all that attending this, they are giving their time. Are they attending for charity? Are they coming for charity here? Many times somebody says me, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि मैं अभी, somebody says me, sir, you charge this much fees only, why? We are to charging this, you are destroying the market, sir, and all that. The question is that you understand that institute is saying that you should be offering your services at a proper remuneration. Free में नहीं, because free में आप देंगे तो भी लोग लेगा नहीं. There are so many Facebook videos, CA का classes, कोई बोल रहा है every day in the evening 5 o'clock free class for taxation. CA final class, कोई नहीं करता उसकी क्लास यार. कौन बोला कि वो खराब है? माने करे बगैर ही खराब है. यू आर नॉट अटेंडिंग द क्लास एंड यू आर थिंकिंग दैट वो बैड है. ये ऐसा कैसे हो गया? यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो इफ द प्राइसेस आर चार्ज, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? डिवोशन विल कम. द पीपल विल बी ज्वाइनिंग द क्लासेस विथ अ डिफरेंट इंटेंशन. यू विल बी एंजॉइंग टीचिंग एंड दे विल बी एंजॉइंग टेकिंग द क्लासेस. नॉट अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ मनी. फॉरगेट मनी. इफ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग एंड आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, हाउ कैन आई सेटिस्फाई अदर्स? Okay. Social games are available through social network, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, this, that, paid for by advertisers who can develop games that promote their brands and products. कितनी कंपनियां हैं जो अपना एडवर्टाइजमेंट गेम के थ्रू कर रही हैं कि गेम इज फ्री, यू प्ले दिस गेम, गेम इज फ्री, बट दे आर एडवर्टाइजिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज. So game is generating huge revenue through the advertising model. कि Pixelviz developed a game for a company which is selling some product. The company is offering that game to the public free, but the company is giving the advertisement fee to Pixelviz. So from game, the revenue is not only direct, it is indirect also. Say for government of India, you must have seen so many news channels, आज तक एंड ऑल दैट, बार बार बीच बीच में कुछ ना कुछ वो लोग दिखाते रहते हैं कि भाई ये ऐसा, ममता बनर्जी दिस, मोदी दिस, दैट, राहुल गांधी है. वो गेम ही तो है, और क्या है? द गेम इज डेवलप्ड बाय अ गेमिंग कंपनी, बट अल्टीमेटली आज तक इज गेटिंग, अट्रैक्टिंग द क्लाइंट्स टू सी देयर न्यूज एंड ऑल दैट ऑन दैट. वही तो हो रहा है. सो गेम इज नॉट ओनली द बेसिस बाय विच वी विल बी गेटिंग डायरेक्ट रेवेन्यू, इट्स अ मीडियम ऑफ इनडायरेक्ट रेवेन्यू ऑल्सो. सारे जगह चल रहा है यार. इट्स नॉट दैट अब दिवाली में क्रैकर, somebody is not selling cracker but selling game बनाकर क्रैकर बेच रहे हैं. whatever you say, most online games including those that are free to play require the entry of a valid credit card. या तो social games में, या you can say free to play game, they will be asking you upload your credit card details. Unless and until you don't upload your credit card, they will not allow you to play the game. Why they are asking you to play? They are not charging anything. But if there is any development in the game, any features added and all that, then they will automatically charge from your credit card. If you say while uploading the credit card detail that for taking any payment you need to get confirmation, then it's other thing. Whether this is ethical or not, again a big question mark. कि पहले आप क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर डालने बोल रहे हैं, you are saying we will not charge, and then later on you are charging money from the credit card without informing to the person. Maybe it is written in the agreement when the person has uploaded the credit card details, but इतना सारा डिटेल में इतना छोटा सा लिखा हुआ conditions apply, not read. Is this ethical? Again the question comes ethics. Again the question is not yes or no. No answer yes or no. Yes तो ठीक है, हाँ ethical नहीं है, but I am saying why it is ethical. Suppose there is some game which should not be allowed for kids. There is a mobile phone which or any gadget which is there in the hands of kid also, and that is not justified that that type of kid should be showing that. So for that reason, if somebody is using credit card cannot be in the kid name. It has to be in somebody, in a major person in the family, in his name. For that reason, it is protecting the things which should not be viewed by others. This way, you can say that the social game which are protected by the credit card or for any reason are ethical also. Government, why in India PUBG game was stopped? I think it is again running. It is again running or is still stopped. पता नहीं है मेरे को. PUBG game is still running in India or it is stopped. अभी भी बैन है कि नहीं? मेरे ख्याल से बीच में मैंने सुना था फिर आ गया.
No, sir, it's some other company. They floated and tried to get in backdoor.
अच्छा, it's still banned. So why the Indian government banned? Because they analyze that the teenagers are wasting their huge time into that. तो आपका कोई गेम फेमस है, कोई रेगुलेटरी प्रॉब्लम आने से आपका गेम बंद. That means political, legal, environment. When we say environment, this is actually environmental importance. You developed something maybe for teenagers or anything, but because of government policy or anything, pestle framework. That is I am saying. So you need to answer which area is our knowledge area. हम लोग गेम बनाने नहीं बैठे हैं एग्जाम में. गेम ठीक है हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, बट हम लोग को अपना एरिया को ऊपर रखना है कि व्हाट इज माई एरिया, what is my knowledge, how can I justify that this is ethical, unethical, how I can analyze the environment and all that. That need to be always in your core mind when you are reading the material. Because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि pre-seen material is very simple case study, very general type of case study which already we know most of the things. But question is not that you are going to do that. Your job is the senior finance manager. Your job is different than what is written in the case study. You need to think as a senior finance manager. So they have said that those things about different types of games. And one more revenue type is pay to play. आप जितना बार प्ले करोगे पैसे दीजिए या एक मंथली सब्सक्रिप्शन बाई कर लीजिए. इन द मंथली सब्सक्रिप्शन यू विल बी प्लेइंग द गेम. Cloud gaming, cloud से खेलेंगे, is essentially a form of play to play has recently been introduced by some game companies. Gamers pay a monthly fee that entices them to play any of the selection games offered by the company. These games are played over the internet and are streamed to the gamers' devices. Maybe laptop, maybe PC, maybe mobile phone, any device which is allowed, which is connected with the internet, you will be able to play that games. All over the world, these are the ways by which the gaming companies are generating revenue. For console game, it is only download or free to play games. For PC based games, all the options are there. Download and Foxed games are less, but free to play, social, pay to play and cloud are more. And dhire dhire download and box games, according to my understanding, are losing their importance. In a PC based also, here also. Maybe चलते रहेगा फ्यूचर में because somebody don't want to open it in the social media. Suppose I will say that one of the teacher with us in CA, he said that कि हम अपना क्लास किसी को फ्रेंचाइजी को पेन ड्राइव ये सब में कभी नहीं देंगे. I will be controlling my classes only. Now in the corona time what will happen? He has also come out with the classes and giving the classes online. तो you understand that दुनिया में टाइम सबको सब कुछ सिखा देता है. So if somebody will think like that, then in that case problem, but still there are many gaming companies in some of the games, they don't want to get hold of the game to anybody on the social media. कहीं से download कर ले वगैरह, they will be copying and all that, they don't want. To maintain their secrecy and all that, they are still selling the game through the console. It will be coming in your home in a pen drive, in a CD and all that, and then you will be downloading in the system like that. डॉग तो बोलना मुश्किल होगा यार, बिकॉज मे बी वन कंपनी इज जनरेटिंग थ्रू कंसोल मैक्सिमम रेवेन्यू, तो इट मे बी कैश काउ ऑल्सो, सो डिपेंड्स. यस, नहीं आता तो स्ट्रेटेजिक ड्रिफ्ट हो जाता, सही बोले. Developing video games. These are the video games which are developed. One is this type of game everybody must have played. On a mobile phone, have you played Ludo? Have you played card? Have you played chess? इतना तो खेला होगा यार. मैंने लूडो खेला है अपने सन के साथ, कार्ड तो नहीं खेला, चेस खेला है. So these are old games. That is puzzles. कोई भी तरह का puzzles वगैरह, chess वगैरह, you can solve. This is one type of game. These games involve an intellectual change with no need for quick reactions. They may be computerized versions. For example, the player may play a chess or drafts with the software acting as the opponent. अगर आपके पास कोई दुश्मन नहीं है तो सॉफ्टवेयर कोई दुश्मन बना लीजिए. That way. Action games. Action game, these take में different forms but are practiced by the fact that they involve a physical challenge, usually stressing on eyes. Action games मतलब आपको बहुत जल्दी react करना पड़ेगा. Action is more important. Can be puzzle games in which players must react quickly. Platform games involve guiding a fantasy character or a journey dealing with hazards. Simultaneously a changing set in a realistic virtual world. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Simulation. Simulation मतलब have you gone, I will say that there is a franchisee all over India, in Kolkata also, where game zone, क्या नाम है उसका यार, किड्स लोग को ले जाते हैं, गेम जोन क्या, you will sit on a bike, गेम जोन ही बोलते हैं ना, yes it is game zone only, yeah. तो वहां पर क्या करते हैं, there you have seen, if you go now, because हो सकता है अभी नहीं, I have gone recently in last 1.5 years 3-4 times with my son. So they have made one area. In that area you are going inside and then you are sitting on a table like this, and then it will be creating inside that you are driving a plane, you are doing this, that. So it is actually with the simulation, so many things they are constructed together. The ticket prices are high for that. Suppose one ticket for one game, for this game there is 4 tickets and all that. That is console game. Many person, those who are wealthier, they have developed this console game in their house. जिन लोग के पास पैसे हैं वो लोग अपना कंसोल गेम घर में बना लिए through the simulation. Simulation based, which will be giving you feeling sitting in that room that you are actually with the simulation. Game player puts the player in control of vehicle or other item. A fight simulator would put the player in the charge of an aircraft, can be written to simulate the physical challenges and to make the gameplay very realistic. A really driving simulator might offer a choice of cars and circuit board, would offer a very similar experience to driving the car. Simulators often almost cinematic resolution of setting. A ship simulator might offer a very detailed view of the raft. Hardware manufacturers sell a wide range of peripherals that can be plugged into computers or console to assist in simulator gateway. This is development, but this is costly. Sports game, Dream 11, any famous sports, India में cricket, world level soccer, or any games can be played with the soccer. That is, you will select a team, you will select the player and all that, and then the player will be doing this. You can play with the opponents, you can play with a team, you can play with others. Dream 11 तो सभी के साथ खेला जा रहा है. They are charging price 50-100 और दुनिया भर का लोगों से आप play कर सकते हैं and you can win the match and all that. Whether your team is winning or not, the players which you have selected, those players are performing well, you will be getting money. You can say that addicted or not, I am not raising that question. The question is not addiction, the question is entertainment. The entertainment is not only by seeing movie, playing music, or you can say going in park, enjoying with friends, or I can say playing with games. हर आदमी का entertainment का definition is different. Nobody can say that it is making addictive. You can say this is one factor, but there are many other factors to be taken into consideration. दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है लोनलीनेस, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. दैट आप अकेले हैं, मान लीजिए आपके पास पैसे हैं या नहीं है, लेकिन लोनलीनेस बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. हो सकता है गेम से आपका लोनलीनेस दूर हो जाए. सो व्हाई वी विल से दैट इट इज मेकिंग एडिक्टिव. दैट इज वन फैक्टर. द अदर एरियाज आर ऑल्सो देयर. ठीक है. एवरीबडी डोंट एंजॉय स्पिरिचुअलिटी. पाठ पूजा ये सब में सबका मन नहीं लगता. इट्स नॉट माने 100% श्योर दैट एवरीबडी विल एंजॉय डूइंग द स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड ऑल दैट. डोंट नो. Real time strategy. Real time means you can see that it's like console only, the simulators only, because when they have written these headings, they have written one important thing here. The list is not exhaustive. Many games combine elements of one or two. Maybe they have written in one heading, but maybe two are becoming one game. Games can be written with a view to enabling individuals play, cooperative play or competitive play. Individuals play involve solving puzzles or playing against virtual opponents. Cooperative and competitive play involves playing either with or against the player. Some console permit multiple players to play simultaneously in screen divide to enable the player. Most cooperative and competitive game requires players to log into website and play as a team members. So it's not an exhaustive list type of game. Real-time strategy means real-time gameplay. My wife is in BNI, Business Networking Institute. It is all over the world. I think anybody must have heard the name BNI. And they played in the Corona time, around 6 months back, a real-time game. They played all the, you can say, members played the, what I should say, real-time game. तो उसमें वो लोग क्या किए थे कि for this thing you need to say one word, on the basis of this word another person need to say this and that. The whole BNI played of Kolkata chapter, around 100 players played the game together. That is a real-time game. It can be finding a treasure, this, that, सबको एक साथ, real time. The game will be played at that time only when all the players are ready. A real-time game dispense with the concept of players taking turns against each other, a human or a computerized opponent. They enable players to put the elements under their control into operations. Live online class like live online game. Yeah, you can see. An RTS game might start with a player being given control of say 20 workers who are at the edge of the blanked out screen. The player must then take a strategic decision as to how many of those workers will put for what work and all that. You can say that in the online class, I make separate rooms. I never do that in the class, but suppose I make 5 rooms. And I said that in the first room, Rahul, Ravinder, Vishal and Pritam is there. In the other room, these are there. And then we started playing the class, doing the class as a game. I don't do that because I think that I should be saying in the class more and more as compared to, you can say, wasting time on that. I generally don't like that. I have never done that. RTS games usually involve a competition against computerized or the human opponents who are comparing of them. And then massive multiplayer online. I have not played this game, but I think that this is very famous game. I have not done huge research for this, but massive multiplayer online game, it is online. But it is not 20-30 players. The whole world is playing together. These games involve the player taking on the role of a character in a huge and detailed virtual world. For example, the player might take on the role of an elf in a fantasy world. The player would then be free to roam the world, to use or collect objects, and to interact with the other characters, most of whom would be controlled. For example, the 2 players might have items with one another, or they could decide to fight. As the game progresses, the character will develop skills and, you can say, goods. There is, however, always a risk that character will die, which will require to start the game from the beginning. The Dream 11, those games are this multi-massive game only. The Dream 11 is a game which we can say that falling in this category. Social games or maybe free-to-play games, suppose. Or maybe they are saying that pay-to-play games. But those Dream 11 games are played at multi-divisional level. Massive multiplayer online. Maybe I think that in the Dream 11 they are saying that the subscribers are around, I don't remember exactly, कि मोटा मोटी 2 to 3 million subscribers are there in the Dream 11. So all those at the time of say IPL or any match, all those are playing together with each other. And if suppose you have selected a player, you are out, you could not make runs, then you will start from the fresh, this, that, comes so much runs. I have not played that, but as per my general knowledge, I am saying that is Dream 11 is a massive multiplayer online game. There can be different games, but all those games, there are educational games for small kids, that shape, this, that, they will be able to get the education from those games. This is not the exhaustive list. There are many more possible. And this is not that the education game does not include other game features. It can be combined games also. But these are, you can say, one of the basic games which the game companies are developing, which is the market of game company, either Pixelviz or any other company in the world. I think from here, many people are involved in the creation of video game. We start after the break. It's a 16:45. We will start at 5:15 again after half an hour. I have not given the link for that, because if I would be giving link again, both the class, student will be clicking that link and then they will be taking tension. So I will be giving new link for the class after half an hour, and we will be starting from here. In that class, we will be able to cover, you can say, at least maximum financial analysis of this company. Because with the help of data which we are reading, whether the financial data are supporting these write-up, where there is a difference. You can see ratio analysis, analyzing data, hours of competitor, everybody, we will be able to analyze. At least that much is my objective to complete today. But okay, after half an hour, I am giving the link now only. We are meeting again after half an hour. Okay? You all can take a break for half an hour. Thank you.